Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Aurzen Zip. Now this is the world's first trifold ultra portable projector. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The early bird price on this one starts at $250. I repeat, $250. Now this is another one of those Kickstarter projects, so I'm going to show you the campaign page in a second. But let me give y'all the backstory behind this. Now, Aurzen hit me up and asked me if I wanted to try a prototype version. So I said, sure, I'm getting ready to go on vacation. This might be fun. They didn't tell me the price. After taking it on vacation and using it, I would be comfortable, and I mean comfortable, spending $500 on this. Because this is a lot of fun in the house, but if you travel, this is what I like to call a game changer. This is incredible. All right, so let's get right into it. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes.
I love my white.
Calm down. All right, so let's take it over to the Kickstarter page. Now, this is the Aurzen Zip trifold projector. Now, look at the pledge goal, $5,000. They're already up to over $150,000. So what does that mean? This is definitely coming to the market. Let's go through some of the specs real quick. Now, this is a trifold, truly portable projector. Comes in 2 different colors. Quarter height, full sight. Look at the size of this. It's basically the same size and weight as an iPhone. Ultra portable entertainment, anytime, anywhere. Unfold to play, accessory free. Okay, no accessories necessary. One-click connection without Wi-Fi. So you can use screencast and rock straight from your phone. Now you got zero lag autofocus, vertical screen. This is going to be perfect for TikTok videos or Instagram Reels. 1.5 hours of entertainment. And it does feature fast charge via USB Type-C. All right, so let's take it to some of the other specs. I'm telling y'all going to love this one right here. The weight of this, 280 grams. The display technology, DLP. Now you got autofocus and auto keystone correction. You got dual speakers. USB Type-C connection. You got a 5,000 milliamp battery that, like I said, is good for about an hour to an hour and a half, depending on your brightness. You got screen mirroring. Okay? Now, this is going to work with Android, Windows, iOS, and Mac OS. And here's one of my favorite features, Bluetooth version 5.4. So what does that mean? If you want more sound, you can pair up to a Bluetooth speaker and go crazy, or you can pair it up to some Bluetooth headphones and be discreet. Now, the resolution on this is 720p. You got 100 ANSI lumens brightness, and it does have an app that's available. And again, the price, early bird special, $250. Like I said, I took this on vacation. I'm going to show y'all some vacation footage. This is a game changer. Now, this is a prototype version, so I don't know if the packing is going to be exactly the same. Air link, okay, real-time focus, vertical screen, 720p resolution. Now, I know somebody's going to say, oh, it's not, 1080p, it's not 4K. Look at the size of this. Okay, now, of course, inside you got your usual books and shit, plug them and file them. There's going to be USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable. And here's the projector. Look at this. This literally fits in the palm of your hand. About the same size as an iPhone. And this is trifold. Okay, look at this. So you can use it like this, okay, vertical or in portrait mode. You got some buttons on the top. This is going to be your back button, up and down to change through your menus, okay, and you got your autofocus button. On one side, okay, you got volume up and down. This is your power button, USB Type-C, all of your vents. You got 2 different levels of brightness. Okay, now you can switch it to have max brightness or turn it down a little. And there's your projector lens on the front. Super small and compact. And again, it has built-in dual speakers. Now let me show you some accessories real quick before we take it upstairs. This right here, this is another game-changing accessory. This is the wireless HDMI dongle. Again, prototype version. I already used it. It works perfectly fine. All you got to do is plug this into your laptop via HDMI, and you can stream right from your laptop. Or you can plug it into your Nintendo Switch and do some gaming on the big screen. Okay? Now here's another accessory. You got the dual-sided mount. Let me show you how this one looks. Now this one does come with USB Type-C cable. And this is basically a mount that magnetizes, right to the back, and you can suction it. This way you get better viewing angles. And the case accessory right here that I use the most, the case. All right, because like I said, if you travel, look at this. Comes with a little carabiner. Open this up. Inside, got the USB Type-C charging cable, and your projector fits right in just like that. So if you want to travel like a boss, think about it. Put this in your bag, put the suction in your bag, grab a Bluetooth speaker, and grab a power bank. Because I know some of y'all are going to say, oh, 1.5 hours battery, that ain't that much. All you got to do is plug in a power bank. Now here's how I had it on vacation. Just like this. I had my Bluetooth headphones on, plugged into a power bank, and projecting right on the ceiling. This is insane. Now let me power it up real quick so you can hear the speakers. All right, so let me show you how easy this is to connect to your phone. Now I just powered up the projector. We're gonna pull out the phone. Let's go over to Smart View. Okay, Screencast. Now this is gonna work with your iPhone or your Android phone or your Windows device. Okay, give it a second. There's the zip. We hit connect. Give it a few seconds. And it's going to pair right up, just like that. Now, I want y'all to hear the sound. Let's take it over to YouTube. The sound is coming from the projector. Dual speakers. Now, y'all can't see it right now, but it's projecting my phone. I'll take it upstairs in a minute. Listen to that sound. Dual stereo speakers on this. Just that simple. All right, so let me take it upstairs so you can see how it looks on the wall. All right, so check this out. Now I paired up the projector to my Galaxy phone, so I got it in portrait mode, and I can just rotate my phone to landscape mode. How sick is that? So let's take it over to YouTube. Click on the video. Get full screen, and there it is. Now that sound is coming from the projector. Here's my phone. Just like that. Now I can exit out of this and keep it moving. Now this is also great for watching vertical content like Instagram Reels or TikToks. So let's take it over to Instagram. Here's how your Reels are gonna look. Now turn the volume down so I don't get any copyright strikes. But look how dope this looks. And basically, I'm just scrolling through my phone using the projector. How sick is this? And then at any moment, rotate the phone, full screen. All right, so now let's try a little gaming. Now I got Asphalt 9 queued up on the phone. And keep in mind, that sound is coming from the projector. Here we go. Look at that. Woo. Gaming on the big screen. No accessories needed. Casting right from the phone. Woo, I'm out. Y'all see that drip? There it is. Right from the phone to the projector. All right, check this out. Now I'm sitting in the living room watching the news, you know, something boring. But at the same time, I want to watch one of my YouTube videos. I got the projector set up on the coffee table. I got my phone paired up using screen mirroring. And take a look at the ceiling. Full size video. Now that sound that you hear is coming from the projector. Nice and loud. And again, I don't have to disturb whoever's watching TV. I can watch my videos right on the ceiling. This is so epic. Now I'm gonna set it up in the bed. All right, so I'm laying up in the bed. Check this out. We got the projector set up right here. And I wanna watch some Mortal Kombat videos. All I gotta do is look up at the ceiling and look how bright and beautiful this is. Remember, this projector fits in the palm of your hands. Again, there's the TV. So I don't gotta disturb anybody who's watching it. I just set up the projector right next to me. I'm using screen mirroring so I can easily change my shows. And look at this. Ma'am, go inside. Turn away from me. How sick is this? Look at the brightness. Keep going. Go down on your knees. Put your hands behind your back. Let's keep it moving. Do not move. You understand me? Jake, I got you covered. Let's go. One more time. Do not move. Bang. All right, so you've seen it for yourself. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Aurzen Zip a major go. And at $250, as Bob Barker would say, the price is right. If you travel, this is a game changer. Make sure you get the case, okay? Make sure you get the mount, get the wireless dongle, and grab yourself a portable battery charger and a Bluetooth speaker or some Bluetooth headphones, and you can have your entertainment on the go. This is a major win. Anyway, this is the Aurzen Zip. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes. Picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock won the beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.